Yes, consider solving this problem. That is, you are given a string and you're asked to reverse the entire string. Okay, so I'll show you with an example. Let us suppose input string is hello. Okay, then what is its corresponding output should be? It should be reverse of hello, right? So O L L E H. This must be the output. Okay, so let's solve this one. I'll take a sample string like whatever is shown in the example, that is hello. I'm taking directly. Okay, now this is my original string, right? I'll just print this is my original string, saying that original string is okay. So str1, this is my original string. Okay, and later, now I want to reverse the entire string. I can apply concept of slicing to reverse the entire string with the help of negative string slicing. Okay, so where I'll write str1 is equal to str1 of colon colon minus 1. This will reverse the entire string. Okay, now you can actually print a reversed string. Okay, reversed string is okay. So the reverse of this string is str1. Okay, so basically the original string is stored in str1. Later I have reversed this string and stored it into str1 itself. So then I can print the reverse of this string in str1. So let's run this. You can see the original string is hello and reversed string is OLLEH, right? So this is one way of solving the problem, that is reversing the given string. The other way is let me apply another logic here. Okay, where I'll apply concept of reversed function. Okay, and I'll join this to the empty string. Okay, join of, I will reverse the entire string, reversed of whatever string str1 is. Okay, so let's run it again. Now you can see I'm getting the same output which I have seen previously. Okay, because this is another way of implementing the string to be reversed. Okay, and joining that string to an empty string. Okay, clear? Like this.